sunset. Pero di makakalaing may ganito. Look.
Ano mga taga-pulo?
It's getting worse. Like, look.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology recorded 2 small, or Strombolian, eruptions at Mount Mayon on Saturday, March 7th. Close-up footage taken at 12:09 p.m. and 12:22 p.m. showed the volcano spewing dark, cauliflower-shaped plumes of smoke. Despite the activity, there were no reports of ashfall in towns across Albay. Dr. Karson Alanis, a local volcanologist, said in a phone interview with the Inquirer that although volcanic earthquakes and sulfur dioxide emissions have increased, Mount Mayon remains stable. There is no reason to raise the alert level. Volcanic earthquakes are normal during eruptions. There are occasional spikes, but based on other parameters, everything is stable. Based on the data we've seen, Mayon remains in what we call a stable state in our latest assessment, Alanis said. In the past 24 hours, Phivolcs recorded 82 volcanic earthquakes, 355 rockslide events, and 8 pyroclastic density current signals. Sulfur dioxide emissions reached 7,633 tons per day. According to Doreen Abulinde, the officer in charge of the Mayon Observatory Station in Lignon Hill, the total number of volcanic earthquakes recorded at Mayon has reached 1,697 since Alert Level 3 was raised. This activity indicates that Mount Mayon's magmatic system remains active, although it has not shown any signs of escalating toward a major eruption. Volcanologists explain that volcanic earthquakes, rockslides, and gas emissions are part of the natural process as magma moves beneath the volcano. Phivolcs also reminds the public that the permanent danger zone, 6 kilometers from the summit crater, must remain clear. Residents are prohibited from entering the area due to potential hazards such as volcanic flows. Lava eruptions, incandescent rock ejections, pyroclastic flows, and volcanic avalanches are still possible. Furthermore, residents living near the slopes of Mayon are urged to remain vigilant for possible lahar flows, especially during heavy rains. Ash and volcanic rock accumulated on the mountain slopes can easily be carried by rainwater and flow into rivers around Albay. The local government, along with the local disaster management agency, continues to monitor and coordinate with scientists. Currently, Mount Mayon remains at alert level 3, meaning eruptive activity is ongoing and the potential for an explosive eruption remains. However, authorities emphasize that the public should not panic, but should continue to follow official updates from Phivolcs and adhere to all safety warnings. Mount Mayon's activity will continue to be closely monitored to detect any changes that could increase the risk to residents near the volcano.